Hey everyone, welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead. Oh, it has been a dreary day today. Well, you can see this is the duck's pond. So just made a thing for the gutter to run down there and then they can swim and well, anyways, you see what's going on there. So they finally are together. They're not the nibbles, the bigger one's not picking on the white one. So in this video, I'm going to show kind of a beginning to end ish, because I didn't actually finish the whole thing, but a beginning to end of my timber frame rabbit hutch. I just finished up everything today in this weather, except for the roof, because I need to mill about 120 more shingles. So
Old Jake's been eyeing that timber stand, been growing since his daddy's time. Marks on the bark, chainsaw in hand, sun's barely up, it's cutting time. From oak to board, from tree to beam, sawmill humming that old routine. Damn, what's gonna build us something fine. From forest floor to the thumb, to the assembly line. Takes the trailer down the muddy track, load her up, she's heavy now. Back to the mill, ain't no turning back. Blade's gonna sing, don't matter, hand like butter, warm planks stacking up in perfect rows. Barn's gonna rise before the storm. Every board's got a place it goes. From oak to board, from tree to beam, sawmill humming that old routine. Damn, what's gonna build us something fine. From forest floor to spur, to the assembly line. Dusted in the air, sweat on his face, chicken coop needs mending back. Fence post rotten all over the place, this lumber's all the help he's had. 2 weeks later, hammer in hand, projects rising all around. Barn looks good on his daddy's land, built from trees his grandpa found. From oak to board, from tree to beam, sawmill humming that old routine. Damn, what's gonna build us something fine. From forest floor to the assembly line. From forest floor to the assembly line.
here's what I'm doing, folks. I'm going to do a timber joint right there. So I started to cut this one. But what I'm doing is I'm going to take these are my, that's the front and the back on the bottom to hold up the rabbets, right? And then we'll have knee braces going to the legs. So what I'm going to do, so this is actually needs to be turned like this. Ugh. So it'll be like that. But let me show you. Damn, that's heavy. So I'm taking these up to the sawmill, and I'm going to put these two together, and then I'm going to run my blade, my saw here and here, and so I'll do them both at the same time, and then I'll flip it on the ends, do it again. Yay! Pretty sure that's it. Okay. All right, guys, back down here. Just took my saw, cut these guys off. I have a tenon. There's one. And there's one. All right, guys. So I got the two front posts done. I still have to do the two back posts. Oh, yeah. Wow, that is like the nicest one I've done so far. First, it's a little loose. Okay, there it's together. Whoa, I'm off a marketplace. Okay, that's where I got to. It keeps raining on me. Keep getting these like 5-minute showers. It's already almost 5 o'clock. I still got to go do some hay, but I finally got this thing up, which this one wasn't a real issue. I got a 4x4 here, and then I've got it's screwed from the top, the bottom, and then I have these 8-inch nails holding them in. And then I have the 8-inch nails going through here. All right, folks. This is what I got done today. I finished the wall. I don't know where I was yesterday, but I finished the wall. And I got, what else did I do? I guess that's it, except for these. Now, all these rafters are not tied down. The end one is. This one here, got the hurricane straps. This one here, I did wrong. I had to move it. All right, working on the roof again. Hasn't rained yet, but it's building. So I did my first double row, and now I'm on starting the third row. Or yeah, first row's doubled. Then it's single rows the rest of the way. So that's what's going on till the storms hit. It keeps getting black up in there, and then it gets sunny, and then it gets black. It says rain in an hour, and it hasn't rained yet. So when it finally gets here, it'll probably be all hell breaking loose. So
up where the sawmill hums, hard work till the daylight's done. Goats on the ridge, rabbits in the shade. 2 hands building, nothing store made. Just outside the lines, raised outside the lines, where the sap runs sweet, wild roots climb outside the lines, outside the lines. Ghost pipe in the shadow pine, maple boils, homestead grind, mortise tenon, frame would last. Life ain't fast, life ain't past. Raised outside the lines, ooh, raised outside the lines, where the sap runs sweet, wild roots climb outside the line, outside the line.
all right. There it is. Holy smokes, I don't know if you can see this, but it is just like a super heavy mist out here. But at least there's no heat. There she is. We got all the doors. This is something that we added this time because we get babies that roll up against it, and when you open the door, they fall out, and then you're running all over the freaking place trying to get them. So this is going to stop them. You can just fold this down out of the way to clean. We got feeders that I don't have attached, so you can take them out and dump. Then I got blocking, so the rabbits can't jump out the back or the front, or critters can't get in them. So it's all done except for the roof. So I have to mill shingles. You see up there? So, and then I'm going to put shingles here at each end. So that's it. She's done. Depending on the weather tomorrow, I'll mill the shingles. But we got to take the tent down. We're supposed to have thunderstorms and all kinds of crazy weather coming up. It's soaking wet, which is going to suck trying to put it away. But we'll just have to set it back out when it gets sunny. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.